j'espère que vous allez bien. Ça fait longtemps que je n'ai pas fait une vidéo en français. Bon, aujourd'hui, j'ai décidé de faire cette vidéo un peu bilingue, surtout pour l'introduction. Voilà, donc, so, like I was saying in French language is that below I didn't speak French in my video, so, but today this video will be a little bit bilingual in the introduction. For people who doesn't know, I'm coming from Cameroon, and in Cameroon we are speaking French and English. Although I'm from the French side, I try to speak English also. So, and okay, bon, today I'm coming again with another hair treatment with fenugreek seed. Like you can see my hair. So let me just turn a bit. See, they are four. See, they are four. Nous allons donc faire cette vidéo avec les graines de fenugreek. So, le fenugreek, c'est une plante qui pousse surtout en Asie et tout, et qui est très très bien pour nos cheveux. Bon, j'ai fait ce traitement, donc ce que vous voyez là, franchement, ça m'a donné ces jolis cheveux, vraiment bien. Ça m'a donné, mes cheveux sont souples, mes cheveux sont hydratés, mes cheveux sont vraiment bien. So, fenugreek is very good for our hair. It's promoting hair growth. Let me just tell you some benefit of fenugreek for our hair. So, fenugreek is promoting hair growth. Fenugreek reduce hair fall, combat dandruff. Fenugreek adds shine to our hair. Fenugreek prevent premature graying and improve scalp health. Cette plante est vraiment bien pour nos cheveux. Ça aide à promouvoir la pousse des cheveux, ça empêche la casse, ça combat les pellicules, ça rend les cheveux souples et ça leur donne de la brillance. Et puis surtout pour nous les femmes, ce qui est bien pour nous parce que le fenugreek, lorsque vous utilisez le fenugreek peut-être en spray ou bien en masque tout le temps, ça va aider, ça va retarder l'apparition des cheveux blancs. Voilà. Et surtout, le fenugreek est très bien pour la santé de notre cuir chevelu. Voilà. Donc, ça a vraiment des bénéfices pour notre cuir chevelu, pour booster la pousse comme on dit souvent. Voilà, donc c'est ça. So, I just have, you know, for my English VIP. Sorry, I just have to make this video bilingual so that my French people also can benefit for the fenugreek. So then today I'm gonna make a fenugreek paste that I will put on my hair. Let's just get started. But before I do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, share, because when you like it and share and comment, that is how YouTube will promote my video to other people to see them. So, maintenant nous allons passer à la cuisine. Et avant d'aller à la cuisine, s'il te plaît, si tu t'es pas encore abonné, abonne-toi. Et surtout, laisse-moi des pouces bleus et surtout, commente la vidéo, commente-la et partage la vidéo afin qu'elle puisse atteindre plus de personnes là-dedans. Voilà. Donc, nous allons maintenant à la cuisine. So now we're gonna go to the kitchen. So now we are in the kitchen. And let me just show you my ingredient. This is the fenugreek. Like I said, I just let me try it because people are speaking about it, like fenugreek very good for hair, and I make my research too. So then I say let me just try. They call it also metis seed or fenugreek. So I just buy this one in my local store here. Both look like this. Just like this. So to make our fenugreek paste for hair growth, I just took like half of this pack. You can see it's not too much. So like a half paste. then I pour it in the water, then I leave it like 1 day. That it is here, you just have to pour it in a jar, add water, leave it. If you have time, you can leave it like 1 day. If you don't have time, you can leave it like 6 to 7 hours in the water. Then that is look at the water, and the fenugreek soak the water and become thick. So now what we're gonna do is to strain the water from the sweet. So that is the water. Look the way it look like, so yellowish, very nice. And this water too, you can drink it as tea. Drinking this water as a tea is very, very good. You can also add it in your smoothie. We are not trying to grow our hair only for the outside. We can also grow our hair for the inside. That's why you can drink this one as a tea, going inside, and stimulate also hair grow from inside. So there is also fenugreek in pulver side, but I don't have the pulver yet. Maybe by the next time. So look at it, look very, very nice and creamy. Wow. But I have to blend again. What I'm seeing now is like the fenugreek. Hey, yeah. Can you see this? Can you see this? Yeah. It's like by blending it, it's just becoming more and more and thicker. Here, look at this. I was seeing it small, but my God, here, it's very good. So now I finished blending it. Can you see what I'm saying? Oh. And it smells like you know, when you blend fresh groundnut, that is the way you also smell. We're gonna strain this mixture because we cannot put this thing like this on our on our hair. We give a lot of work. I love it already. I never used fenugreek, and since my first time, I just gonna try it. Maybe my hair will love it too, who knows. So look at yourself. I put the mixture in this hair cap. If you have like sockings or something like that, you can also use. It's a bit a messy job, but I think that is worthy. It's worthy to do it like this. I finished training it. That is what remains. So this is the parts that are strained. Look at this. Oh, the consistent, very good. I have avocado oil. I have raw almond oil. Then I have sesame oil. So I will take those 3 oil to add on my paste. So then I will just take like teaspoon for each of them, because I'm gonna make what we call double boiling method. So gonna take my sesame oil, this one, then add my olive oil. I will add like 2 teaspoons. So add water in my pot, then add this oil inside. So here, that is our oil. So I just have to leave it cool a bit down, then add it to my paste. So let's just add the oil. So then now we just have to go and put it on my hair. So then before you put this pasta on your hair, before you put this pasta on your hair, be sure that your hair is clean, that you wash your hair maybe some hour back, or you wash your hair yesterday and you want to put it today. It's okay. You just have to be sure that your hair is clean. So that it is. Then let's just go now and start putting it on my hair. So now we have our pasta here. I'm just gonna add it on my hair. Here I have my paper. Maybe if I want to clean my hands, I can just grab to my paper and clean my hands. Let's just get started. So then please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please just subscribe to help your sis. Like the video, share it and comment, okay? So the end, please click that notification button so that every time I upload the video you will be notified, okay? It's very important. You people know, if you are following me for some time now, you know I'm not manipulate my hair with comb, because comb, it can damage our hair, you know. So I'm sorry, there is something that I forgot, because I washed my hair yesterday and the hair is a bit dry, and something that is very important, we don't have to put treatment on our hair without hydrating it. So you just have to add some water on the hair before adding the treatment on your hair. Very important. I was carried away. I forgot to add water. Those are things that I'm not doing at all before putting any treatment on my hair, or even before washing my hair. I always put some water so that the water will go and hydrate the hair. So here we have some water. So okay, low, like that low warm water. So I'm just gonna, okay, I put already in this side. I have to stop because my battery was out, and so that it is. So what I can say for this fenugreek, I feel that it's very good on the hair. It's like that kind of slimy, a bit slimy, like okra. I like it. It's like my hair gonna like it. We have to take care of the baby hair too. Since I started doing hair treatment, I see that my baby hair gone already, are growing. So we have to put a generous paste on the hair. Well, you can see it's everywhere. Then we just have to make like circular motion like this, some massages. The product that is here, we just have to draw it like this. See, now add again, because the end are very important. We need to hydrate everywhere, treat everywhere. That is good. Because when you pour water on the hair, the hair is already a bit soft, then you're gonna add your treatment and the hair will suck the treatment also so fast. Then we're gonna press the hair a bit like this so that the hair will suck the water. Then after that, now we're gonna add our product, our treatment, and It's very good, and you can see it's easy to manipulate. Oh, look at my hair. Look at my hair. So what I'm happy about is that maybe in 5 months time, maybe in 1 year time, you will see the improvement. So even though my hair are not too long like some other YouTubers, but I started just slowly, and I'm happy the way my hair is growing. Then you will see, and you are seeing now how the hair is. Don't come with your comment here that, oh, it's not my hair, because later when you see the time you will see my hair growing, don't even come with your comment that then you are seeing yourself the way I'm taking care of it. Then now let me just go and make everything out of camera, then I will come back when I finish. Then so as you can see, I finished putting the treatment on my hair. So I make it, I finish,